right, this is a lot that down in Kannapolis here that we're clearing out, getting ready to build a house on, and basically we're clearing down the side of the property there, and there's power lines over by this building here. And any rate, we got it all cleared out and got it moved out and everything hauled away. But the biggest thing here is we're trying out our new to us ECR88 Volvo. It's right at about a 20,000 pound machine. We were overdue getting a bigger machine. The E26 was just not serving us when we had bigger jobs, or jobs when we had to mess with bigger trees. It worked good for the brush, but in this situation here, it's much better to have the bigger machine. And we were going to buy a new machine, but decided, with the outlook on the economy and inflation and everything else, we decided just to go with a machine that we could come out not owing anything. And if we have to fix anything on it, we will. It's kind of a high hour machine. It's close to 7,000 hours, but I end up even having to fix a hydraulic line on this job, but that's okay. I know that going in, and we'll keep her going, and that's what we'll do. But going forward, I just want to be careful with what we spend and what we lock ourselves into. All right, well, I hope you enjoy the video. It's a short one. Thank you.